Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina and welcome back to our 9th episode of my reaction video for the series Avenues of the Diamond. At oo, habang tumatagal, mas nagiging intense, mas nai-inlove tayo kay Sam at kay Clyden at pati din yata sila. Char. Pero anyways, feeling ko malapit na tayo sa part wherein malapit na tayong masaktan ni Naomi. Alam nyo yan sa lahat ng mga nakabasa. So, let's start in 3, 2, 1. Oh, eto na! Nasa Singapore na sila. And sino ang mas kinilig nung nakita nating sumunod talaga si Clyden? Kasi diba ganito yung nangyari sa New York? Diba? Sobrang, kinikilig tayong lahat. So, ito yung mga wonderful nila. Diba? Soy! Ano ba yan? Kiss nung kiss everywhere. Finally, Sam is on the runway. Though hindi tayo dinala ni Sam sa New York, pero I know pinapakita naman dito kung ano yung nangyari sa New York with a different setting. Kasi, syempre siguro for the budget, sa Singapore tayo. At least may nagtitiwala talaga kay Sam dito, right?
Thank you. I'm equally excited to work with y'all. This means a lot to me. But I just want to be upfront about something. Sure, I'm happy to take international bookings, but I prefer to remain Manila based. It's definitely possible, Sam. We can work with that. But don't be transparent.
So true. I'm sure Clyden will support you no matter what.
Right. We're all set then. Are you free for some headshots later? Yeah, I'm ready. Fantastic. Thank you.
Pumirma na siya ng kontrata. The beginning of the end. So, ito na si Sam, the model Sam. Diba? Sobrang, so excited. Tapos nandito pa si Clyden. For Sam starting as an amateur and Clyden is on his way to be a doctor, diba? Like, who would have thought na itong aso't pusa na to ay magkaka-inlovean, right? Tapos na sila.
Hey, love. Galing mo kanina.
Love.
Thank you for coming with me sa Shringham. Malayo ka mo. Pero, I feel a bit guilty kasi instead na papahinga ka, sinamahan mo pa ako.
Alam nyo, ganito yung mga klase ng lalaki na binibigyan ng monumento. Char. Imbis nagpapahinga sila, sinasama nila yung mga jowa nila. Uy, sexy night ba yan? Oh my God! Such a tease. Pero feeling ko, alam ko makakatulog si Sam nito eh. Kung tama ko ng pagkakatanda. Yes, walang bube. Talaga ganun. Yes, Sam? Ay, nako, Clyden. Ano ba naman kasi yung paliligo yung ginagawa mo? Napatagal. Baka natanggal na yung balat mo dyan. Ayan, nakatulog na yung Sam natin. Wala palang bebe time. Love. Ayan, tulog na love. Ay, nako. Cold shower ulit. Napakatagal kasi mag-shower. Sweet. Nakatulog siya.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Sorry, nakatulog ako. Why didn't you wake me up?
Kasi pagod ka. Talaga ba, Clyden? Tired ka na?
Sorry. I look so excited pa naman kahapon tapos tinulugan lang kita.
Ako ba excited or ikaw? Hey, okay lang yan. We have the whole day to ourselves naman. So let's go out and have a date.
Sure. But first, let's finish where we left off last night.
Morning. Gusto ko yung drastic change ng buhay nila na from aso at pusa to lovers. Diba? Tingnan nyo naman, sobrang sweet talaga. And girl, ang swerte ni Sam kay Clyden. And Clyden to Sam, diba? Diba? Sobrang cute. Saka parang hindi na to si Sam at si Clyden. Parang ano na to, Aubrey tsaka Lance. Comment down if kayo din ganun yung naisip nyo. Grabe naman po tong kilig-kilig na to. Lalakad lang, kailangan kiss mo. So, ano to? Pare-pares tayong nakangiti habang pinapanood to. Pero, alam ko to direct. Alam ko yung mga ganito. Yung sobrang saya ng mga tao. Tapos, let's see kung hanggang saan tong ngiti na to. Oh my God. Sige. Hoy, ito yung nasa book na kailang New York. Ito, Singapore. Sobrang galing talaga ng mga directors and writers and everything behind the universe series and yung mga book series din nila. Kasi yung Mutyadan yata, I know, parang hinango din sila from the book na ginawang tao. Gets? Ganda rin to. Ang galing. Super galing.
Of course we're gonna be okay. Normal lang naman maging busy tayo na abutin ang dreams natin, diba?
True.
Baka dapat mag-set tayo ng specific day for quality time together.
Tama yan, Sam. Tama yan.
At dapat mag-negotiate.
Grabe naman po yung pakish. Mams, ba't kayo ganyan? Ramdam na ramdam kong single ako. Hi, wala nang iba. Ikaw ang panalangin. Char, pero ikakrap ko to. Gusto ko yung kantahan and grabe na lang talaga. Kinikilig ako dito kay Lasam. Sana all. Parang sana all na lang talaga. Okay, they're back to their house. Wow, ang ganda ng stethoscope. Wow.
Di ba ako mukhang respectable naman?
I don't know. It's kidding.
Let me try it on you.
Grabe naman po itong magjowa na to. Ito yung sinasabi ng honeymoon stage. Ang bilis ng tibok ng puso. my God. Uy! Ang hirap maging single ng ganito. Yung nag-review ng kilig. Dito na talaga ako kinikilig eh.
You know, the lab by Black Blue, yung popular skincare brand, kinukuha nila ako
Taray!
Yeah. Look! Yeah.
Congrats, no?
Thank you!
Oh, go Sam. Finally, you're seeing what
Pero I think ito na
your career looks like.
I know. But we promised to have our...
Sana ako din, makita ko na din kung ano yung career path na gusto ko.
Focus ka muna sa opportunity na sa akin.
Proud of you.
I'm so happy.
Okay, eto na siya as a model. Alam niyo, feeling ko, 'di ba yung Chris Rome yung kinuha for Yogorino, at baka sila yung for LeBlanc. Uy. Diba? Pak. Pak na pak tong magjowa na to. Kahit busy.
Hey,
Good morning. Alis ka na?
yeah, early morning. Ikaw, Dana.
Yeah. Ingat na. I love you.
Thank you.
Mm.
Good night.
Good morning.
Alam niya, naalala ko yung ganitong scene kay Sevi tsaka kay Elise.
I'm ready na.
It's your date night.
Oo na. Gusto mo pa may dala?
Let's give Christmas later.
Parang dito na magsisimula yung mga misunderstanding. Ito rin napansin ko dun sa mga universe series. Ang characters sa universe series. Parang nagsastart sila sa wala ng time for each other. Parang dun ba talaga nagsastart mag-fall apart yung relationship? Like, yeah. If you know what I mean.
Samantha, please come here. Maui, I'm your mother, so don't treat me like a stranger. Let's stop this petty fight, and let's start talking.
Petty fight, Diyos ko.
Lately, I've been practicing my walk na nga pero sobrang conscious ko pa rin. I often make mistakes. No wonder wala pa rin kumukuha sa akin for a fashion show.
Aww.
You're beautiful. Kailangan mo lang ng konting confidence.
True.
Alam mo bakit? Uba ka kasi. Kaya, yeah. Mas sweet mo. Yeah. Like that. Ayan. You know what? I'm the older sister. Pero in moments like this, you're more mature than me. And I would love to have you now. I would love to have you, ate. Sige na. Let's go lang dyan. Oh, to ASAP. Oh my god, a fashion show? Of course, I'm in. Started, so you need to fly here tomorrow after.
Tomorrow afternoon na agad? Grabe naman.
Good, then I
Ang bilis naman ng mga panangyayari na to.
see you. We got you!
It's happening! Congrats, Sam!
I told you, just be patient, diba? Nice to have you also.
Alam niyo yung nakakaloka kasi. Alam mo yung mangyayari right after this. Like, ang saya-saya nila. Tapos, oh my God! Hindi ko alam kung pinapanood nyo ng buo tong vlog ko. Pero, thank you kung napapanood yung mga reaction ko.
Dr. Ramirez, we need to talk. Look, boss. What happened?
Advice mo ba si Mrs. Cruz na kailangan niya mag-blood test before the treatment? It's not written in her chart.
Sorry, Doc. Di ko po narinig sa pasyente.
Ano ba naman yan? Supposedly ngayon nakaschedule ang treatment ni Mrs. Cruz. But we have to postpone it dahil di mo siya na-inform ng blood test.
Sorry, Doc. It was really an honest mistake.
An honest mistake? You know one mistake can cost someone's life. Look, I know you're a Ramirez, pero buhay ang nakataya dito. Let this be a lesson. And please, huwag na sana ito maulit.
Sorry. Sorry, Doc.
Hindi natin maiwasan na ganyan ka-strict yung mga doktor. Kahit gusto mo magalit sa kanila dito, sa karakter na to. Pero totoo naman yung sinabi niya na hawak nila yung buhay ng tao. So, hindi talaga dapat magkamali ang mga doktor. So, salute to all doctors out there na nagpapakapuyat para mag-aral para lang makapagligtas ng buhay.
Guess what, Yana? I used Cardola's recipe for my champorado. Pero, ilagyan ko ng dark chocolate para mas chocolatey. Napakasal naman ng champorado. May pa-dark chocolate.
So true.
Of course, may tuyo rin. Walang iya ka sa alas 6 pa lang na umaga, ginugutom mo na ako. Bakit pa ang aga mo magluto? Pauwi na rin maya-maya from duty si Sai. It's been a while since kasabay ko siya mag-breakfast. Hirap nga ng schedule namin eh, sobrang tight. And flight ko na rin later this afternoon. And more than a week akong mawawala. Kailangan ka ba niya sa airport? I don't think so. He doesn't know it yet. Maya ko palang sasabihin. You know what? I'm so excited sa reaction niya since it's my first fashion show. Naku, baka ma-excite yun. Samahan ka pa. Parang malabo. He's busy sa clerkship. Bakit mo naman? Last time ka nag-uwi ng paraan.
Huwag na umasa, masasaktan ka lang. Parang nung birthday mo.
Hello?
Wait, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. No, you're here! Good news. I have something to tell you.
Love. Mamaya na lang. I'm really tired. Pares mo, okay? Sorry.
Hindi nyo nasabi. Tapos hindi nakain yung champurado.
Hindi rin a few hours. Hey love, I finally booked my first fashion show in Singapore. And I'm flying this afternoon. I'm so nervous pero super excited rin.
Oh. Saan tong airport na to?
Hindi na kita ginising kasi tulog na tulog ka. I cooked champorado and tuyo for you. Nasa ref. I also fed the dogs na. See you in a week, love. I love you.
This is what I'm scared of. Kapag nagkaroon ako ng relationship, like, kaya bang masustain to? Kasi pares ko yung busy. Like, paano pa kung LDR, 'di ba?
Especially your mom.
Napapaisip lang ako, what if?
Thank you. I'm still learning though.
Taray, ganda ni Sam.
Hi, love. Good luck on your fashion show. I'm sorry wala ako dyan. I'm going to make it up to you when you get back. I love you. Ayan. Para di mo ako mamiss masyado.
Okay, at least bumawi. At least may pa-picture. Diba?
Kita.
Diba?
Kinakabahan ako. This is my look for the show. Do I look okay? The show is about to start in 5 minutes. Here's the link again. Wish me luck, love.
Okay.
Baka andyan si Judy pa.
Good luck sa first show mo, ate. Nanonood ako right now. I'm so excited for you. Kinakabahan ka siguro, pero remember, I'm cheering for you. Smile, be confident, pero also, don't forget to enjoy.
Oh my God! No! Pwede mo kinood! Sa laptop na lang tayo manood. Set up ko na lang.
Alam ko, ito yung nanood siya tapos sobrang puyat niya. Nakatulog siyang gano'n nung si Sam na. Kaya binidyohan siya ni Regine. Oo, ito yata yun. Pak, Giselle. Supportive naman ng mga tagal. Oh my God. Ayan, favorite pa yata siya nung cameraman. Aww. Paki-videohan na lang. Ayan na siya. Sad. I felt bad for Clyden. Pero wala eh. Dito lang ako medyo nakulangan. Kasi doctor siya. Supposedly, kung emergency, dapat nagmamadali sila or may something. Pero parang walang urgency dito. Sorry ha. Pero yun yung napansin ko. Emergency ba to o hindi? Dapat naman yung kinuha nilang models, medyo maliliit. Charot. Para nag-stand out si Sam sa height. Ewan ko, siguro kakanood ko to ng mga hospital, medical K-drama. Hindi ko makita yung urgency dito. Mm.
Sam, can I say, you did a great job today.
Thank you. I was so nervous.
Nervous? You didn't look nervous at all. I would love to have you at my next show.
Really? Wow, thank you. I'd love it too.
That's perfect. I'll tee everything up with my agency and good show continues.
Okay, thank you.
Girl,
Hey.
you were so good. Did you have fun?
Thank you. Ganito pala yung feeling, no? While I was walking on the runway, I felt like I belonged here.
Aww.
You're such a
I
natural.
think
I was so
nakita na niya yung purpose niya sa buhay niya.
By the way, you're going to the after party?
Hindi na. Flight ko na back to Manila bukas is early morning pa.
Sayang naman. The guys won't get to experience the Samantha beer party.
Maybe next time. Medyo tight yung schedule ko. See you soon. See you.
Hmm.
Sai? Sai? Sai?
Yung totoo, ang laki-laki ng bahay, walang tao.
Maui, I'm sorry. Pinatawag ako last minute sa hospital. Let's celebrate next time, okay? Babawi ako. Sorry.
So sad.
Salamat sa pagbabati kay Abby, ha? Finally, natapos ko yung pag-review ko.
No problem. How's your studies?
Mahirap. Mahirap ang senior year na may kasabay na baby. Pero, nakayanin. Eh, ikaw? Himala, may free time ka ngayon, ha?
Yeah. I have vacation days after my fashion show.
Di ka ba hanapin ni Clyden? Di ba may celebration kayo? Grabe naman buntong hindi.
Lalim.
Ano ba nangyari?
Kaya nga we've been so busy that we barely even talk to each other. Clyden wasn't able to watch my fashion show. I mean, gets ko naman why, pero I was expecting na we will at least celebrate pagbalik ko since he promised, pero wala eh. I feel
Gets. Valid naman yung
kahit nasa isang bahay lang kami. Kasi we haven't even talked to each other properly in weeks. I just miss him so badly.
Gets naman. Mahirap talaga kapag kalaban yung oras.
true.
Pero, what if? Kung mo na siyang hintayin, ikaw na magplano ng date night yun.
Pwede din.
Quick dinner lang, or something. Mahalaga,
Magkasama ka.
makapag-bonding kayo. Diba? Eh, kailangan
Coming from Yana na walang asawa at anak lang yung kasama, pero na-apply naman niya yun sa anak niya.
Hey, when are you free for a quick dinner?
I was about to message you. Makakapag-out ako ng maaga today. I'll reserve a table for us at the resto if pwede. What do you want for dinner?
Yes, I'm free. I would love steak tonight.
Alright.
See you, love. We're having dinner tonight.
Oh,
Kita mo?
nagagawa ng paraan. Sige na nga, lumarga ka na at magpaganda. Paalam mo sa fiancé mo. Thank you, Ale.
Yana will be Yana. Hindi naughty kung hindi si Yana. Yes, nag-work pa din. Aww. Hirap naman ng ganito. Ang hirap magkaroon ng relationship na LDR.
This tastes good. Just like how Sai cooked steak for me.
Hey, something happened?
My parents.
I was actually informed about that. Hindi mo na ba nalaman?
I'm sorry. I need to see my parents.
So, ito na nga. Ang problema ni Sam.
Hug, you're here. What the hell is happening? Mom, Dad. Maureen, calm down, okay? Is it true? Yung mga accusations sa inyo? Huh? Answer me! Look, we have money, okay? Everything's gonna be okay. We have enough money. What the fuck, Mom? Pinapaimbestigahan na kayo ni Dad. What? Are just gonna pay everyone off until this all goes away? Maureen, stop being a burden and stay out of this.
Can you just listen to your mom, Maui? Marami na kami problema. Huwag ka na tumagdag. Say.
Sweet, ito ko nga lahat ng parang kasi. Hindi mo ako masagot eh. I knew it. Tagal ko nang alam na may illegal kayong ginagawa. Tama nga ako. Do you even care how many people in this country are struggling? Tapos ikaw, hindi ka na nahiyong pagdakawan sila. Hindi! Trust me! Stop it! Stop being a burden, okay?
Wow, siya pa yung burden. Hindi ba kayong parents yun?
Everyone was crying about you. You're a useless politician. Bad father. Criminal ka.
Oh my God. Yung mga chismoso pang attorney ba, te?
Naginabang ka rin sa pera ko. Your education. The roof over your head. The clothes on your back. That all came from my money.
Hindi mo yung pera! Pera yun ang taong bayan and every day, I feel fucking bad being your daughter! Stop being funny!
Fucking little child.
Paano nakamo? Oh my God.
Stop it, Maui! Don't even try! Stop being kind to this girl just because you pity her! She's my sister! Oh my God, she's not! Pag hindi ko liwat kong babae to, I swear, mangyayari sa'yo yung nangyari sa nanay niya! Yes, Naomi, you heard me right! Ikaw! Mula na dumating ka dito, ikaw nagdala ng kamalasan sa loob ng bahay na to!
Let's go. We're going home.
Naomi, no! Naomi! Where are you going? Papahangin na ako sa labas. I think I'm a fool? Hindi ka lalabas! You will never have the same freedom.
Bakit naman kasi ganun?
Tinanggap na tinanggalan niyo ako ng kalayaan. But
Grabe! Ang galing ni Miss Claudine. Like, kinikilabutan ako, guys.
Grace, do you really deserve it?
Deserve nyo talaga makulong.
Years of her trying and trying, but you kept pushing her away. Now, go back to your room. Now!
Alam nyo yung nagpapaka-strong yung nanay ni Sam, pero dinadaan na lang niya sa iba yung outlet nung galit niya kasi nga na-frustrate siya sa nangyari sa asawa niya. Tapos, ayan na, ito na yung nangyayari.
It's not good to act out on your emotions, Mommy.
Nanininig mo ba yung sarili mo? You can say that dahil wala ka naman sa posisyon ko. Hindi ka naman nahihirapan with your parents eh.
Hindi nahihirapan siya.
Okay, so ito na, mag-away na sila.
You don't know a thing about what I'm going through right now, so don't act all high and mighty! Sorry, I shouted. Kailangan ko lang huminga muna. Ayan.
Hindi ko gusto yung pagkaka of how high and mighty. Parang naging palengkera siya doon. Uy, sorry. Nakukulangan ako sa emosyon. Hindi ko maramdam yung galit. Hindi ko siya maramdaman.
Nabasa ko yung news. Okay ka lang. How do I endure all of this? Sobrang hirap. Sobrang ang hirap eh. I'm sorry you go through this. Minsan talaga lakas mo protect ang buhay. May mga times na ikaw talaga yung bunot ng universe. Pero life goes on. Magiging okay na lang lahat.
True.
Kapit ka lang ha. Kapit ka lang sa amin. Kapit ka lang sa mga taong handang hawakan yung kamay mo.
Kaya yung kanta niya, hawakan mo ang aking kamay.
Tita,
Oh, hi. Sorry I barged in.
it's okay po. What brought you here? Si Sai po is not here. He's at the hospital.
Well, I'm not here for Sai. Have a seat. Let's have a talk. I want to speak with you.
Okay po.
Well, I'll make this short. To be honest with you, Sai hasn't been talking with us at the moment. Sai hasn't been talking with us since his dad decided to cancel the engagement. Well, alam mo naman, what's going on with your family. Siyempre, concerned lang kami sa business namin. We are in the medical field. And it can also be political. Marami nagtitiwala sa aming tao. And we cannot risk our family reputation just to be, associated with your family. And, alam mo, Sai strongly disagrees with everything. Pero his dad threatens to withhold his inheritance. Kapag hindi siya pinag-clear.
Ito na yung lahat-lahat mawawala kay Clyden kung hindi niya bibitawan si Sam.
Sam, Sai has a brighter future ahead of him. Very bright future. Kaya lang,
Ang problema, he loves you so much. Ayokong madamay siya sa problema ng inyong pamilya. So please, as a mother, I'm begging you, stop thinking.
Kaya sobrang hirap talaga pag may nasasabi ka kapag galit ka. Tingnan mo. Kita sa mata niya yung regret nung pagtatalo nila ni Clyden. And that's the end of my reaction video for the episode of Avenues of the Diamond. And alam niyo yun, nagsimula siya ng kilig, ng pero ayun nga, gaya ng sinabi ko, malapit na tayo sa masasakit na part, which is this one. And actually, nakukulangan ako sa emotions. Pero yung eyes kasi ni Aubrey, alam niyo yung nangungusap siya, yung regret nandun. And for Lance, let's take it slow. Tingnan natin kung may ipapakita pa siya. Kasi nung pinakilig niya tayo, yung eyes niya ay nangungusap. Tingnan natin kapag nasakta na siya. Uy! Yun. Thank you guys for watching. And see you on my next vlog. Please follow my FB page. I'll link down below and all my socials. Bye. See you next time.